Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about Yatra. So it is Jagriti Yatra. Before going to see this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then do click bell icon and then subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So here comes to this present video. So Jagriti Yatra. So Jagriti, it is a 15-day journey around all over India. So it touches most of the states, and then it is 8,000 kilometers length. I can see that the journey. So here the more than 300 people who will be there has been a part of this journey. So where the entrepreneurs, job seekers, and those who all are willing to establish some new institutions, any kind of institutions, they can join this journey. So you can see that the 1997 there is a Jagriti Yatra chairman Shashank Madi organized a Azad Bharat Rail Yatra. So inspired from that, they have started with this vision. Like you can see that the focused areas: agriculture, education, energy, healthcare, manufacturing, water and sanitation, arts and culture and sports. So based on this, they have started this Jagriti Yatra. So there are three horizons of approaches there. So you can see that Jagriti Yatra, Jagriti Enterprise Network, Jagriti Enterprise Center. So if you are joining with this yatra, so you can able to do networking with most of the people. So across the India, you can able to do that. So you can see that the criteria, there is no eligibility based on mark sheet is there. So it's all about the individual's capacity. You can see that the selection committee will be also including international delegates also in that. So this Jagriti Yatra is one train journey. So there has been a train will be supported by the IRTC. So like Indian Railway will offer a train which is might be sponsored. So in that train specifically, this all the journey will happen. Like each station they will stop wherever they have planned. Like for example, Sri City, Madurai, Mumbai, Delhi, like that. So and there will be some events programs in the particular destinations where we should visit, and the person who is willing to start something like entrepreneurship or else and oriented the seven thematic areas we have seen, no, based on that, and the particular areas will be there. So there might be a facilitators and the support team will be there from the outside as well as inside the organization. So there are two types of applications are there. One is online as well as offline. So the online and offline both links I will give in the description box. You can click and then you can apply. So you can see that more than 300 yatris will be given 66% of. You can see that people has been given a full or else part-time scholarship. So the basic pay is 7,000 for registration. With that you can get a scholarship of 66,000 rupees to anything, but you have to apply literally earlier. So you can see that there is a date mentioned, it is 31st October. So you can see that once you are not willing to join, so the refund claim, the last date is 30th of November, because the same date the confirmed yatris will be updated. You can see that the yatra commences on 24th December it is starting. So you have a long time, you can apply in a peaceful manner. You can see that the yatra ends by 8 January 2021. So means the 15 days journey is going to be over. So after completing this journey, you can able to connect with the people like JD district yatri. You will become an ambassador of Jagriti Yatra. So if you are a person who is willing to travel and who is willing to make network, then it will be a good opportunity to you. Don't miss to apply. Thank you.